Hey Taylor, here's your VSS30. Everything's all looking tight and right. I'll give her another wipe down before she goes back to you. But anyway, right now I've got it hooked into the amp, and yes, that's a pluggable thingy. So, yay! There we go. So it's got all of its normal functions, and then if you want to use the LTC, flip this up, but you've got to do it while it's off. Otherwise it gets a little grumpy. So anyway, and there are two little touch points over here, little thumbtacks with stars. I thought they looked kind of cool. And one of the things I found, let me turn the pitch back up a little bit. If you just hold one, it adds a nice little grind to it. But everything works. It samples. It'll do all that. So yay! Yep. Enjoy.